The course has helped me develop my skills in performance, costume design, and design production.
Before coming to the UK, I was studying visual communication design, and then I wanted to push my practice further and to become a more interdisciplinary creative thinker.
I decided to study the course to expand my creative practice and my skill set to increase my chances of employability after graduation.
As someone with hearing impairment, my work is all about creating immersive experience through performance, video, and the sound. I want my work allow audience to step into my hearing world.
So for my major project, I produced a multi-generational educational game which focused on United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The project won a first prize in global design competition, and now I'm exploring ways to make it more accessible to the public.
Since graduating, I've used skills and expertise that were built during the course in a lot of my more current projects. So working alongside a choreographer, a DJ, performers, and other specialist designers to bring some of my works to life, and more recently a performance and entertainment event.
Creating the board game allowed me to explore different medium of design. Through combining all of them, I can solve complex issues that exist in the world. It's just not about sustainability. It's much bigger than that.
During the course, I developed a series of traditionally hand-printed phenakistoscopes, which were sequenced into a short film based on the increasing symbiosis of human beings and technology over time. And that work led to what is my current business, where I design animated zoetrobes for vinyl for record labels and musicians. I've worked for a number of high-profile clients, including Take That, who I worked for last summer and produced their 30th anniversary reissue of Everything Changes on a zoetrope vinyl. So the course enabled me to develop my practice in areas that I hadn't really explored before, such as printmaking and animation. And also the theoretical aspect was really important in terms of digging into my interests and figuring out how to underpin my practice from sort of a philosophical, theoretical point of view.
Where I want to study in MA before I study in a BA in fine art, I'm really interested in how to making really a spatial visual art. So after BA, I really want to beyond the visual art and more about my hearing, the sound experience. So that's why I want to choose this course. So I have no idea which direction I was heading, but this course really challenged me to think beyond just making the project. I'm really enjoying how to find my hearing impairment sound like. I can do making the sound, can making a video, and also to learning and doing performance into my project.